Hello, future developers. Welcome to the continuation of our projects on the product review. In our previous lesson, this is how far we've come. Okay, so we worked on the button. Um, Now we would want to actually worked on styling, like centering this. Okay, information here. So now we would want to actually work on the H4 tags, which is this and then this. So the fruits and then this lorem text. So as you see here, this two, one, and then two. But first, you can see we have this one is an ID. So first, we'll want to target all the H4, and then we would later style this particular one. Okay. So that said, let's get started. So in my main.css, I'm going to type H4. Okay, H4, and then let's type margin. So we'll give it a margin. So margin of 0 for the top, okay, and then 40 px for the right. Okay, so let's actually maximize. So 0 for the top, 40 px for the right, and then 30 px for the bottom. And then let's give 20 px for the left. Okay, I think my margin. Okay, so in enlarge, you can see we have some margin around. Now let's do that for our text align. So text align, we want to actually center our text. So text align center. So we center them. And then we would want to give it a font family. So font family of let's use Franklin is okay. So Franklin medium and then the backup and its backup fonts. Okay, so in case a browser doesn't support this, we'll go to this one, go to the next in the order. Okay. So font family, and then we'll do that sorry, text align, let's use justify. Okay, so let's use justify. Okay, so justify it for the normal justification or justify in normal Word documents. Okay. Now we would want to use a line height so that we give them some spacing, centers spacing in each line. So a line height of, let's use 1. So let's use 1, or let's do 1.5. As you can see, we have some spacing between each line. Okay, and then I'm going to give it a color. So a color of RGB 85, 85, 85. Okay, so you can see it's changed the color. Okay, let's reduce the intensity. Okay, so now let's style this particular one, which is our sub info. Where is our sub info? So sub info, the fruit of life, which is this. Okay, remember we've given it an ID, so we actually want to copy this ID so that it will actually help us to style it. So since it's an ID, remember what do you think we'll do? We'll reference it with a pound sign, and then I'm going to paste it. So sub underscore info. Then inside the curly braces, we'll start styling. So I'm going to give it a font size of 30 px. Okay, and I'll give it a font family of I think we already have the font family of Franklin Gothic. Okay, so there's no need for me to give the font family since yeah, we've specified them in the H4. So let's do color. Then I'm going to set my color to RGB brackets 59, 59, 59. Okay, so I commented this out. Okay, I typed this and commented it out. It might come in handy. So in the next lesson, we'll work on this particular button. Okay, we would want to achieve this.